Thanks for hanging out with me on today's mastermind for leveraging artificial intelligence. So let's talk about a collection of pretty cool prompts to use as a real estate professional. There are all sorts of prompt variations for marketing listings, right? So don't hesitate to just ask it for idea generators. It's a great drafting tool. Give me 5 high impact headlines. Write 5 high impact subject lines for an email. Generate a 1-minute video script. Write a 500-word blog about the benefits of living in this area. Or even make a 500-word description of the neighborhood's amenities near this, right? Quick, surgical, simple, effective questions. These are the kinds of things that, yes, you and I know how to do. But if we're increasingly busy and we need variations, and sometimes our creativity is low, just let it get you started. It gives you 5 headlines and say, tweak them for the winter. Tweak them for people who like to ski. Tweak them for people who have a helicopter and ski at the top of the mountain, not the bottom of the mountain. I don't know. You get the idea. Like, just let the system keep going on ideas.
Hi, everyone. It's Matthew Ferrara. I've built this newsletter as a special place where optimism, positivity, inspiration, good stories, and great ideas all come together to help you move closer to whatever goals you desire. I encourage you to upgrade so you can get access to hundreds of posts, webinars, workshops, and other resources. Choose a monthly subscription, or you can upgrade to the insider level, which gives you unlimited access plus guaranteed attendance in all of our live virtual masterminds. Success starts by believing you're worth it. I believe you're worth it, and I hope you do too.
Same works for personal promotion. You can say, hey, Copilot, could you give me 12 monthly emails that I can send to my sphere of influence to stay top of mind? Hey, Copilot, give me 5 emails that sequentially introduce me to prospective clients based upon the credentials in my bio, which is on my website, and I include the, hey, Copilot, analyze the testimonials on my website and create a series of social media posts that highlight the common reasons people appreciated working with me. Hey, Copilot, give me 10 reasons why people at an open house should sign up for my newsletter. Or 10 reasons why clients should choose to work with a professional realtor as opposed to try and do it on their own. Idea generating, but then giving it iterations to get good. Of course, Copilot is the ultimate checklist generator. I'm not going to read all of these, but checklists for home buyers, for sellers, for visitors coming to the open house, for documents you want to have ready for your mortgage officer, for important steps about moving in, moving out, or moving up, whatever it happens to be. It's great for checklists and quickly generating maybe a PDF for you that you can share with others. And then let's say that you're an office manager and you wanted to use it to prep up some office meetings. Don't forget that this is a really good way to do a lot of work in a short amount of time. Hey, generate a list of icebreakers for my office meetings, just to get people talking. Generate an agenda for a 60-minute real estate office meeting. And then again, I would refine it, right? The market has picked up, or the spring market is approaching, or we need to double down on our listings, or we need to deal with blah, blah, blah. So it'll keep rewriting the agenda until I get something really good. Create a short script for a role play to practice. What are some engaging activities to boost morale? Recommend strategies for getting people to talk and participate in the office meeting on Zoom. Suggest ways to put training in the agenda or address conflicts that might arise during the meeting, or even just celebrating people's achievements. So again, just helping you get a task done. And it might have taken an hour in the past to prepare your agenda. Maybe you bring it down to 30 minutes. That's 30 more minutes to spend with people, 30 more minutes to work on yourself, 30 more minutes for other things that are important.